Hello everyone, this is Indrajit Ganguly. Hopefully, you have enjoyed my last video session which is about the unification of Germany. I believe your journey in Germany was interesting and informative too. Dear students, my today's topic is also about unification and formation of a new nation state. And my today's discussion is about a new country of Europe and a neighboring state of Germany, that is Italy. In the map, you can see that Italy is a country of southern Europe which occupies a peninsula which juts deep into the Adriatic Sea, Tyrrhenian Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. Since the ancient time, Italian art, architecture, and culture have had an influence around the world. Italian foods such as pizza and pasta are the most popular dishes in the world. Anyway, let's start with our today's topic, the unification of Italy. Like Germany, Italy too had a long history of political fragmentation. As you all know that Italy was partitioned in the Vienna Congress of 1815. The northern part of Italy was under the Austrian Habsburg Empire. Center was ruled by Pope, and the Bourbon kings of Spain ruled the southern part of Italy. On the other hand, Sardinia and Piedmont was ruled by an Italian princely house. In the process of unification of Italy, these three people organized revolution and contributed a lot in the formation of United Italy. Famous Italian revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini came up with a revolutionary idea. He was the member of the secret society of the Carbonari. He founded two underground societies, Young Italy and Young Europe. He believed that God had intended nations to be the natural units of mankind. Unfortunately, his revolutionary campaign was suppressed by the conservatives. He was described by Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich as the most dangerous enemy of the social order. Between 1831 and 1848, the King of Sardinia Piedmont, Victor Emmanuel II, decided to unify Italian states through wars. His chief minister, Count Camillo di Cavour, made an alliance with France and succeeded in defeating the Austrian forces in 1859. Finally, Giuseppe Garibaldi joined the war with his volunteers called the Red Shirts. In 1860, Garibaldi and his group drove out the Spanish ruler from the Kingdom of Sicily. In 1861, Victor Emmanuel II proclaimed himself as the King of Italy. So, in this way, a new nation called Repubblica Italiana, in short, Italy, was born in the map of Europe. So, I hope student you like the video. So please give your views and suggestion in the comment box. And don't forget, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.